Cooking squash, a simple guide for English learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, cooking squash. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. We'll break down what squash is, how it's cooked, and the cultural significance behind this phrase. Let's dive in. Squash refers to a variety of vegetables that belong to the gourd family. They come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. In English, the word squash can mean both the vegetable itself and the action of crushing something. But in our context, we're talking about the vegetable. Squash is popular in many cuisines around the world and is known for its versatility in cooking. There are many types of squash, but the most common include butternut squash, acorn squash, and zucchini. Each has a unique taste and can be used in various recipes. Butternut squash has a sweet, nutty flavor and is great for soups. Acorn squash is more savory and can be baked or stuffed. Zucchini, on the other hand, is perfect for stir-fries or even as a pasta substitute. Squash can be cooked in multiple ways. Roasting. This involves baking the squash in an oven. It brings out the natural sweetness of the squash. Boiling or steaming. These methods are great for softer preparations, like in soups or purees. Sautéing. Quick and easy, sautéing squash in a pan is perfect for a quick meal. In English-speaking countries, squash is not just a food item but also part of cultural dishes, especially in autumn and winter. Phrases like cooking squash evoke images of home cooking and comfort food. It's often associated with healthy eating as well. Here are some common phrases. Squash soup is my comfort food. Indicates a personal preference for squash soup. Let's make stuffed squash for dinner. A suggestion to prepare a specific dish. Thank you for joining me in exploring cooking squash. I hope this video has been informative and has helped enhance your understanding of this common English phrase and the culinary world it represents. Happy cooking and happy learning!